Hello everyone. In previous video, already we have discussed the differences between address bar and search bar. Here just I am going to display or here I am going to show where the address bar and search bar located on the Google homepage. See, homepage is already, as I told, homepage is the first page of any organization or any website or any institution. We are going to call it as homepage. The first page what is going to display, that is going to call it as homepage. This is the homepage of Google. On the Google homepage, the top, as we discussed in the previous video, the address bar found the top of the website. Then the search box we find, that is the top of the web browser. Then our search box we find on the website. It will help us to find the particular website name. If we enter here website name, it will search. It will help us to search the particular website name onto the search bar. And the address bar is a direct door. Directly if you enter the website name, there directly it is going to take us to the particular website what you have given. It is like a direct door. And here the search box or search bar is help us to get the particular website addresses. Thank you.